Ooh, welcome back to the channel, guys. Y'all see where I'm at? I'm inside this Charger. Remember the one that beat me up on the electrical issue, the bus network issue. Now guys, look what came in. Yes, my brand new shifter assembly. All right, according to my diagnostics, and I want y'all to watch that diagnostic video right there. I'll just call that part one. This is what's pulling the car down. Remember guys, this car will not start, will not crank, will not run, will not even power up. All right, here is the module responsible for shutting the whole freaking car down, guys. Yes, all right. What do they call this? ESM, electronic shifter module. All right, but let me try to backtrack you guys on how I came to this conclusion without talking too much. All right, I'm gonna do this real quick. But first, guys, let's do this. Let's do this. All right, because I want to unplug this so y'all can see something. I want to plug back up. Let me do this. Here's what I'm gonna do. Now, here's my topology. I have this on the screen. ECM is red. That's electronic shifter module because I have the star connector in the rear unplugged. The star connector represents this. So basically, that's the same thing if I unplug this. But let me do this. I'm gonna go plug the star connector back in that represents this, and I want to show y'all what happens. All right, look, I got the key on, car powered up. Let me go plug in the ECM so the circuit would be complete. No camera tricks, no nothing. I'm not pausing the video or nothing. We're gonna do this live. We're gonna not live, but we're gonna do this presently. All right, there's my star connector, still unplugged. Remember guys, each one of these represent a module. This represents the ECM. So with that in place, now let's go look. No camera tricks, no nothing. I didn't flinch. I didn't do anything. Uh-oh, I see wipers going. Why is wipers going? Uh-oh, car just shut down, guys. Uh-oh, everything's going crazy. Oh my God, the wipers on, the dash is gone, and look at here, guys. Off of the bus, and guess what else? Because I left this car and run before I plugged that up, let me see what happens. Nothing. Feet on the brake, pushing this. Nothing's happening. Look, guys, everything's shut down. Nothing. All the boxes are red. All right, that's how I came to this conclusion. But guys, it wasn't easy. Okay, no, it took me a long time to get to this point. I'm just showing y'all shortcuts on what I found. Now let me go unplug that. In fact, let me unplug it from here, guys. Okay, how do you replace this shifter? This is a good time for y'all to see and learn how to replace the shifter module. Oh yeah, I can kill two birds in one stone. Guys, I already got it partial loop. Get your pry bar, pry up under here to remove this panel. Once this panel, lift up on this panel. Here's my shifter connector right here. Well, let's go ahead and remove the whole shifter. All right, that is held on by right there. See that? Torque bits. Just put your torque driver in there and turn to loosen it. Then simply pull up on the shifter. That's how you replace or remove the shifter. Now, let me unplug this right here at this point. Okay. Guys, this connector simply power supply for the shifter, okay, the lights and things like that. But the shifter module itself is read from this connector, which means I have to go in and get the shifter out of here. So I can also, let me finish my, guys, it's just lift up. So remember I showed y'all how to get the shifter off. So from that point, just use a pry bar to get this up. Now, here we are. So I'm still in the same mode, no power mode, because remember I plugged it up at the star connector. So what we're gonna do is get this. Can I unplug that from here? I probably can unplug that from here, guys. Without, let's try. Yes, I can. There you go. It came back. Oh, I hope y'all didn't hear what I just said. All right, I got all my power back, guys. The shifter is unplugged. Well, I guess it took a minute. Where's my connector? All right, let me just get this old shifter all the way out. Oh, I got my power back. Yes, I can start. All right, so we running this live. Let me just get the shifter all the way out. Guys, this is how you replace the shifter. So I'm killing 3 birds in one stone. Showing you how to remove the shifter knob and how to replace your shifter assembly. Simply come up. There you go. This, my friend, will shut your whole freaking car down. All right. Yes. Now, where's that connect that fell off in here? See if I can get it. Yep. This is the bus connector that goes to the shifter module. Now, what did we have to do to fix it? A lot of people are wondering, what fixed it? This, guys. Remember, this is on the bus. Plugged in. Now, do that change. Let me turn the key on. Come on, baby. I need everything to go blue. It's rescanning the vehicle. Yes, look at this ECM. It is back online, back on the bus. The moral of the story is the car is fixed. I have power supply back. I can start, run. I'll take care of all that minor stuff when I bolt everything back up. All right, so I accomplished 3 things, right? I showed y'all how to remove this. Remember, just pry it up through here, and there's a little torque bit inside of here. I showed y'all how to replace this, and I also showed y'all we did a diagnostic in part 1 on a possible module killing your bus network, bringing your whole car down. So guys, the moral of the story, and I'm gonna make this my thumbnail probably, this will shut your car down. Okay, no crank, no start, no power, could be this. But I don't want you guys to just, if that's your problem, just grab this and replace it. Oh, I seen it on JT online mechanic video. It won't start, it won't crank. It probably need one of these. No. Do the diagnostic, guys. Now, let's talk about this red. Red is hands-free module. In fact, no, heated seat module, HSM. So there's something going on with the heated seat, guys. That's a whole nother diagnostic monster. If it's red, it's offline, it's off the bus. Could that pull the bus down? If it's on the network, guys, look at this bar right here. You see that bar? That represent Can C. I don't know. I think this is IHC. Each one of these bars. So if this is red only on this bar, there's a problem probably with this module, not the whole network. This is what you really want to see. My thing I was saying earlier is none of these boxes, especially this is Can C, none of these boxes should be important enough to shut the car down. Now, notice this ESM is not technically on Can C, but because it's tied in, I guess it can kill everything. It can kill everything on this network and this network. Can C is what's important. Okay, look what's on this bus network. All right, the IPC, the cluster, the TCM, PCM, ABS, all this stuff is important. Rightfully so. This stuff right here should shut you down. But why is simple modules like over here on this network shutting down the car? That's a whole nother debate, guys. This video went too long. I don't like these long videos, but I hope you got something out of it. I got to finish this job. All I got to do is bolt this down, put everything back together. Guy can come get his car. He will be happy because this car was at previous shops and nobody can figure it out. So I am one proud technician of myself and the training that I have received over the years, and you guys for helping to bring out the best in me, or helping to bring out more out of me, because I really want this visual. This drives me to slightly film it. Remember, I don't want you to judge this on a repair video, but a communication video. So it drives me to want to find this stuff, find these problems live, not live recording live, but you know, live. I'm doing it live, so no camera glitches and not a lot of editing. That's what I mean. You're getting it raw. All right. I tried to make sure I do all this live raw, so a lot of people think computer trick. Oh, you see how he cut away and went to something else? Nah, guys. Oh, I'm still talking. I can't believe I'm still talking. Let me shut up. Let me finish. I got work to do, man. Y'all enjoy the rest of y'all weekend. I'm hoping to upload this on Sunday, guys. But enjoy the rest of your weekend. No, I'm gonna have to upload it on Monday. I do mostly non-mechanical videos on the weekend. I do mechanical videos during the weekday. Y'all want to hear repairs and see repairs, so I might do Nosy 30 or Fun 30 or Brothers Motors or All Park Garage, those videos on the weekends. But the weekdays I'm gonna dedicate to auto repair videos. Guys, I'm talking. God, I talk too damn much. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe. I'll see y'all in the next video.